Hello friends, welcome back our YouTube channel. In this video will be amazing. Today I will guide you how to save your iPhone battery after latest update iOS 17. There are many Apple users reported this issue when installed and the latest update iOS 17 beta 2. We are facing a lot of many bugs and we are facing better trend issue problem. Now guys, in this video I will give you some solution you are just applying on your phone, and I am pretty sure you will easily save your iPhone battery health. So let's begin to start, come to the point. But before we start in this video, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please make sure to the hit on the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now guys, solution number one: turn off your location service from your device. Now simply open to setting iPhone and scroll down. Here is privacy, and then click on location service is turned off. Location service is turned off your device, and second settings. And after after you can do this guys, you will easily save your iPhone battery. After you can do this guys, move to the next solution and turn on auto brightness. So that what you need to do, first of all, open the setting in your iPhone and settings app, go to accessibility, and then click display text size page. Need scroll down and you will get auto brightness option. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life a long term display performance, so that why you just turn on this double, and after you can do this guys, move to the next solution. Turn on optimize battery charging. So what you need to do, simply go to iPhone setting, and iPhone setting you just tap on battery, scroll up, tap on battery, and just tap on battery, and this battery health joining, simply go here and then click optimized battery charging is off, and so simply turn off and turn on again. Okay, and again this one toggle to reduce battery. Again iPhone lens from your daily uh, charging return, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until we turned on this one toggle to reduce battery. Again iPhone lens from your daily charger routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Okay guys, so must be turned on this one toggle one on your iPhone, and after you can do this guys, move to the next solution is remove unnecessary, which is from your home screen like this. So these widgets for battery killer in your iPhone. That way you just remove all widgets from your home score a game like this one, and after you can do this, move towards the next solution, guys. Next solution in the turn on dark mode and your iPhone. So what you need to do, simply go to the setting and simply go to setting and settings. Now here display and brightness option, and then click on dark mode in your iPhone. I have already on dark mode users in iPhone. You can do this, guys. The last solution is turn on low power mode your iPhone. So what you need to do, simply go to iPhone setting iPhone setting, then click on battery option and low power mode. Turn on this one toggle in your iPhone low power remote temporary reduced background activity. Low power mode is on. Reduced background activity like downloads and mail flex you until you need to the fully charge your iPhone, and after applying all solution on your iPhone, guys, you will easily save your iPhone battery after latest update iOS 17 beta 2. Hopefully, guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.